You know how that was all black up there, and now it's great. Good deal. Good deal. I was a helicopter pilot in Vietnam, 71 and 72. I was a captain in the Army. Yeah, we had streaks running down from those skylights, and it looked very bad, and this is great. Well, I noticed, especially you coming down our driveway, that the coloring on the roof was quite different. And there's been some new roofs installed around the neighborhood, and it was very obvious that ours didn't look new. My wife Allie here found this service, and they came and did some things, not only to start with on our back wall and some other things, did a wonderful job. And now that we see the roof, I think there's another win here. Really nice. And we really like the job on this wall back here too. So yeah, 100% better. And they did just a beautiful job. The roof looks new. We're in a neighborhood where everybody's proud of their homes, and this has made us much prouder of our home. Thank you very much.